What's up, YouTube? Happy Saturday. This is your boy Dre from Dre Aerial Drones. I just want to give y'all a quick update before the Christmas holiday rolls up on us. We have Christmas and obviously New Year's rolling up on us. But I'm just going to kind of segue you guys into the next video, which will be kind of a collage of all of the Let's Glow San Francisco, and then also some other shots around the city that I added to this video. Okay, so it's about 10 minutes long. So for you guys that always complain, Andre, you don't make long videos, Miss Lorna, I see you out there, Angela, to name a few of you guys, this video is about 10 minutes long. So get your coffee or your popcorn ready, go ahead and enjoy it. And like I said, it's just a collection of some of my favorite shots from Let's Glow San Francisco these past 2 weeks, and I've been filming the last 2 weeks at night. A lot of you seem to like the night videos, so we'll make that more common going into the new year. And as you know, I didn't get everything from Let's Glow because there were just situations where it was just too tight for the drone to fly in there, and I didn't get all the locations for the Let's Glow San Francisco. Hey guys, real quick, I forgot to add some of the videos that you will be seeing, or some of the clips in this video that you're going to see. So they'll be from the Star Wheel in Fisherman's Wharf. You'll see Quay Tower, the Ferry Building, of course, the Hobart Building. That was part of Let's Glow. Chase Center, quick fly over there. The Fireboat Station, that's where San Francisco keeps its fireboats. Actually, give you a little hint, that's the last shot. The final shot is the Fireboat Station. I always want to give our first responders love. Huntington Park is here. Grace Cathedral, you'll see in the video. St. Peter and Paul Church, you'll see City Hall. Salesforce Tower. Embarcadero lights, and then Yerba Buena Lane was part of also Let's Glow. So if I forgot anything, you guys, I'm sure will point it out to me. All right, so with that said, let's start this video right about now.